Hey guys, we're here for another Smash unboxing. What we're gonna unbox here is UPS, uninterrupted power supply. Now, why is this useful or important? Nowadays most of us work from home or do our business sa bahay, and one thing for our electronic devices to be taken care for or to be safe or para humaba yung buhay nila is actually have the plug to a UPS. Now, not everything, okay? Most of it are the low power devices or gadgets, right? This is not for a ref, definitely, or any high power consumption, even aircon, for that matter. So specifically, this is Fortress UPS uninterrupted power supply with the 650 VA, and I did some research. That is, if we need to multiply that by zero point 0.8, so that's around uh, 500 watts, okay, in terms of capacity. The good thing about this is that it has uninterrupted power supply. Um, so it says here, easy LED display, off mode charging. So yes, there's a battery inside, guys, because kunyari, for whatever reason, nawala ng ilaw, then the internal battery will kick in. Then masha-shutdown mo pa properly yung laptop mo or your computer. Auto restart upon AC recovery, cold start function, equipped with boost and buck AVR to stabilize input voltage. So this is also acting as a um, voltage regulator, automatic voltage regulator. We don't know, but our electricity is actually going up and down. It's fluctuating. So with this one, it will try to keep the output voltage or electricity to your device or to your gadget consistently. Okay? Ano pa maganda rito? Oh, 8 sockets. Says here 8 sockets. Next one, sabi rito, never connect laser printers or motorized devices that demands a lot of power in peak periods. Definitely not. Okay, so this is how we should expect power button, on off indicator, normal backup. Then guess what? May walong 8 ports, right? There's four, which is actually UPS or may backup, and the other one is for automated voltage regulation. Okay, so apat-apat. So this has a warranty, and this is cheap actually. I got this again on a good price, and this cost me about close to 1,600 pesos. Okay, so ito yung mga equipments that you can plug it here. Computer, depends if you are using a gaming desktop that needs so much power, you might need a higher capacity. It says here telephone, fax machine, laptop, lampshade, some small component, small TV, most likely a router, definitely, and some gaming console, PlayStation. Okay, so it's input 220, output is 220. So this doesn't have a 110 output. Okay, let's open it. Oh, this is good. This is good for our laptop, especially mga new laptops natin and mamahalin sila. We should really take care of them. And this is one way to take care of our gadgets. Okay. Not only that, but since meron siyang battery, that would mean any power fluctuation or bigla mag-brown out, then we would be able to, okay, anything here? Let's smash unbox that and some receipts. Okay. Comes with a manual. Okay, so it's all in English, which is good, right? So nasabi na natin, 8 ports, on off, may indicator if backup battery is running. Okay, let's take a look at this. Warning: this is not a toy, not intended for children's use, of course. Okay, it's heavy. So says there, Fortress, normal back. Okay, and the most important part, back. So eight slots. So this one is surge only. So yun yung mga, it will keep the voltage consistent, walang up or down. Then the other four here, this is where the battery is. Merong uninterrupted power supply. And here at the middle, that's the fuse. Case that, let's say, bigla nag-brown out and nag-trip yan, press reset type of fuse. Wow, heavy. Looks good though, just pure black. Okay. And the with ground plug, medyo maikli yung cable niya. This could be just 1 meter, but that will do. So this is uninterrupted power supply to take care of your laptops and gadgets. And I only got it for 1,500. Okay. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. This is another Smash Unbox.